Okay, actual maiden voyage today. So far so good. A few things that are weird. Went and got some high test, no ethanol, whatever gas, and it looks like I have a leak in the top of the tank, which makes the toolbox cool. I brought some extra filters just in case. That was a big issue. Just broke the lid. That's cool. So that's there. Flowing clean enough. I had a lot of problems with the tank. You can see some of the rust that came out of the tank when I first filled it. So I ran through a couple cycles of fuel in the tank and filtered it. Probably needs new filters. There's a little bitty bits of gunk in there. Otherwise, knock on wood, there's a little bit of whining. Sounds like maybe from a bearing or something in there, so I need to check the oil, make sure it's circulating. I think it is, he said, hopefully. Otherwise, I mean, we'll see if I make it home, but I made it to the park, King Lot, so that's cool. And then I reset the odometer. So that's just reset. I think I put 5 miles on it since the rebuild, so nothing's exploded yet, touch wood, but whatever, man. That's that. Hey. Let's see if it starts. Should start first kick. Should start first kick. Should start first kick. Let's do it. Got it idling very low. Should probably bump the idle up. We'll clean the carbs again.